Today we're diving into the new M Performance Track Kit for the BMW M2, which is set to arrive in July 2026. This kit is designed to bridge the gap between a standard high-performance car and a professional racer, keeping the vehicle fully road legal while sharpening its track capabilities. Starting with the aerodynamics at the front, the kit includes a manually adjustable front splitter that integrates directly with the front diffuser. This setup is supported by wheel arch diffusers and a specific scoop located under the engine oil cooler to manage airflow. To maximize front end grip, BMW has also added specialized aero flicks. Moving to the rear, the standout feature is the swan neck rear wing, a design borrowed from the M4 GT4 and GT3 competition models. It features a unique race mode that slides the wing back by 50 millimeters to boost aerodynamic effectiveness. When you're off the track, the street mode ensures the wing stays within legal road limits. Interestingly, this wing also includes two adjustable settings for the angle of attack and an integrated brake light. Under the skin, the kit introduces a threaded chassis with four-way adjustable rebound and compression damping. This is a first motorsport-grade damper system that is actually road legal. It allows for an infinitely variable height adjustment, lowering the car by up to 20 millimeters at both the front and rear. The entire kit was developed in a wind tunnel and fine-tuned by BMW M test engineer and record driver Jörg Weidinger. In terms of pricing, the track kit will be available for €23,500 plus tax in Germany. Additionally, for the BMW M2 CS, there's a new M Performance exhaust system made of carbon and titanium, which reduces weight by about 8 kilograms.